we have the comedy stylings of a Playa favorite. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the one, the only, Katherine White.
Yeah. Thank you, Mimi, for that. I am so excited to be here. Can y'all hear me?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I'm so excited to be here, and so is my mom. She's so excited. She was like, okay, I think I know what you need to do. You should get up there and tell your mama jokes. I said, okay. So this is for my mama. Your mama's so tall, she did a flip and kicked Jesus. That was my first joke ever at 5 or 6 years old. Mexico is amazing. It's beautiful. The beaches are amazing.
Yep.
The culture is everything. And sometimes we don't have electricity, Wi-Fi, or water.
Yeah.
But I'm from Texas. And you know the great state of Texas. Anybody in here from Texas?
Yes.
Yeah, the great state of Texas, where sometimes we don't have Wi-Fi, electricity, or water. I was getting ready to move here last year. Well, it's been over a year now. And my mom's friend, Karen, she is a Karen. No offense to any Karens in here at all, but she is Karen, for real. Karen was like worried about me moving here. She was like, what about the crime? I said, what about the crime? I said, Karen, you don't know me well. Just know that I survived 2 drive-bys by the age of 10. I was literally stop, dropping, and rolling in my grandparents' house and ducking and dodging bullets in my mama's car. And that was in the great state of Texas. I didn't have to come to Mexico for that.
Right.
She's like interrogating me, asking me all these questions. Like I owed her money or something. And I'm like, you are not the IRS. Karen, come on. So she was like, well, what about the hurricanes? I'm like, okay, Karen, you are from Texas, right? I'm also from Houston specifically. And there are a lot of hurricanes in Houston. So I survived these hurricanes and these floods. This one time we were rescued by boat by this Noah's Ark looking man. He came to the door, knock, knock, knock. Women and children, women and children. I was like, what about my dad? Why do I say women and children? So anyway, we were like, okay, we're gonna get our stuff, we're gonna get ready to go. And we get on the boat, and this is a true story. And I'm an adult getting on this boat with this Noah's Ark looking man. And he was like, I was contemplating life. I was like, okay, Noah is either about to take me to heaven or to the Holiday Inn.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on here. I'm so worried. She was like, so do you have an exit plan? I said, Karen, you live in the great state of Texas, and all the stuff going on in Texas, it sounds like you need an exit plan.
Right.
So she was like, yeah, I guess you're right. So Karen's cool. We went, I saw her the last time I went home, and I invited her to come see me here. So I was like, Karen, trying to sell her on the idea. Mexico is so beautiful. We have amazing beaches. The food is good. The culture is amazing. And you should feel right at home. Because we also sometimes don't have electricity, water, and Wi-Fi.
Right.
You can also maybe, in the rain, catch an occasional flood as well. So you should feel right at home. Thank you so much.
Thank you.